This is in Sahih al-Bukhari. Two of the beautiful, amazing companions, Sayyiduna Zaid ibn Dasna, radiyallahu anhu, and Sayyiduna Khubaib. I don't know his last name. SubhanAllah, interestingly, I think in Bukhari also just mentions Khubaib and Zaid ibn Dasna. So anyway, they were caught by the Meccans. Very emotional, very powerful story. This story has a lot of things about their love for Rasulullah also. But I want to bring you to something very, very special here. The man, either Zaid or Khubaib, one of them, he said, I know you're going to kill me, but I don't want to meet God without cleaning myself. My hair under the armpits are overgrown. Can you give me a knife so I can clean my armpits, underarm hair? And I promise I won't run away or anything. And he was already a hostage. This is a Muslim hostage, a Sahabi. This is the tarbiyah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. While he's doing that, he has a knife. Subhanallah, the house he was held captive as, this is in Sahih al-Bukhari. The woman, her child, runs and starts to play around the man and sits near him. He tells him, hey, go away, go to your mom. And he's sitting there. And she starts to him, oh my God, he got my son. He got my son. He's going to kill him. He's going to take him as a hostage. And he told her, this guy is going to be hung tomorrow. He's going to be hung tomorrow. Sayyidina Zaid and Khubaib both were to be hung in public. And the woman who was holding him captive, she said, I swore to God that give me this man so that I kill him and I drink wine in his skull. This is the woman. Look at the animosity. That woman's child is in his hand. He could easily hold him hostage, say, let me go, or the child goes. He says, woman, don't worry. Our Prophet taught us never to hurt children and women. I'm not going to hurt your child. Our Prophet taught us not to hurt children. This is who we are, my brothers and sisters. Tell these people that. This is our legacy. This is our deen. So if anybody did that, we are against it. But let there be an open investigation.